Voltage and current loss. First one, a point at which two or more elements have a common connection. A point at which two or more elements have a common connection is called a node. Have a common connection is called a node. Yes. Now, so what did you understand when it is called a node?
Two or more elements.
When two or more elements are connected, minimum two must be there. If it is one element, then it is not called a node. Node means it is a junction, like intersection, connection. Clear? Yes. Two or more elements, then it is called a node. Yes, done. One is done. Next. Now I will give you one thing. So you have to say whether how many nodes are there. So I am referring a standard textbook, Hyatt and Kimmerly. So you can find this kind of waveform, circuit there. Now tell me how many nodes are there in this circuit. So I have not given any values for them, but don't think this is not the correct representation, we can't find. So our aim is to find the number of nodes, not the currents and voltages. Okay.
Two.
Yeah. So how many?
Two.
Okay, I'll give options. A is 2, B it is 3, C it is 4, D it is 5.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Gideon, is there any problem? Okay, just go with the answer. What is the answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Two, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Just try to, let's go for the polls. Let's go for the polls.
Three.
How we will see. How to add a question. One second. Yeah, I'm typing a question here. Okay. I couldn't do it. Where is zoom in and zoom out option? Yeah. Fast. What happened to the others?
Done, sir.
Yes. Okay. Just go through the statement I have given again and again answer. No, there is no option, I guess. Once answered, I think there is no option. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 20 out of 29.
Yes, sir.
So more 9 students has to answer. So is it appearing on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yes. 21. Do it fast, guys. More 8 students has to answer. %72 voted. So I'm ending the poll. Somebody got, again read it and again answer. The people who have answered, do you feel you have made mistake? Just go through the definition or the statement I have given again. Yes, it is 2 or more. So
Option C, sir.
option C is right. Very good. So option C is right. What happened to the other 6 guys? Where were they go? Who are the 6 guys? 24. Gideon answered, I guess. Manish, have you not answered?
Answered, sir. Answered.
Yeah, Gideon, you made a right answer. Okay, fine. I'm ending the poll. So the poll results, I think if you can see, 16 of 24, 67% made it wrong, and 17% have chosen the option C. Option C is also wrong. Option B is right. Why it is? Option B is right. Yes, so okay, search results. What happens if we search results? Okay, attendees are now viewing the poll result. Yes, okay, fine. So I will explain you why it is 3. Now you see here, guys. So the statement, it is 2 or more elements. You can see here resistor and inductor. These two are not same elements, right? So a resistor is one separate element, inductor is also one separate element. Here clearly you can see this is one node, this is one node. Here again you are clearly seeing this is the second node. 1, here 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements are connected. Here also in this, to this node, 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements are connected. Now just go for this one. Just look through this one. Here resistor and inductor is there, right? Resistor is one element, inductor is another element. That means 2 or more. So 2 or more than 2, greater than 2. So you are having a minimum of 2 elements, right? So this is also can be treated as a node. Understood? This is also can be treated as a node. Now I'll give you one more question. Understood? Okay, no problem, Gideon. Yes, Shivasai, it is 3. Okay, I'm giving one more question. Okay. Now tell me, how many nodes are there? Again, we will go for poll. This poll is funny. No problem, whatever, even if you do mistake, no problem. Only 21, 22, okay. You have 2 minutes. "23 out of 30 answered." What happened to the other guys, Ray? Seven other guys, where did these people go? Okay, if you are thinking, sir, I need some more time, it's good. But if you are not, roll number 1 answered, huh? Roll number 1 didn't present. Okay, so I will, okay, 25, yes. Only 25, 5, maybe the connection, network connection for them is not good. It's good, okay, fine. So, and we are ending the poll. Okay, Lokesh, good. Now, can you see the results?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
68% voted for 4 nodes. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
yeah. 20% voted for 3 nodes. Who voted for 2 nodes? Please, I want to know. It is clearly seen it is more than 3. At least it has to 3. It has to, the answer has to be 3 or more than 3. So even if you give 5, I will be happy, but not 2. Who's the guys who gave 2 as answer? Please, I want to know. Just put me a message personally. No, I won't tell anybody. Just put it personally. Okay, fine. No, it is not 2. Clearly it is seeing, right? You can see. Here you can see a node. Here you can see a node. At least you can see this one. This is a node. This is also a node. Like that. So if you just blindly, if you answer also, you have to keep 4. But 2 is a bad answer. Yes? Okay, fine. Now, the answer for this question is 3. Whoever answered as 3 is right. Okay, 68% people done it wrong. So this, here you can see, what did I tell? 2 or more elements I told. Elements. Here what is there in middle?
The 4 nodes is there, sir, in option.
No, between these 2 nodes, do you have any element? Do you have any element?
No.
No. Then you should not treat it as an element. You should not treat. Okay. So first, clearly it is saying this is first node. This is second node. Right? This is third node. And this is also third node, because there is no element in between these 2 nodes. Of course, it is called a node, but there is no element. So what we will do is we will combine the 2 nodes. Okay, we will combine the 2 node. We'll combine the 2 nodes. What we will do is, this is the total node. Third node. Okay, understood? So if there is no element in between, you should not consider this total as a separate node. You have to combine that one. So if I give an example, one more example. What I'll do is, now tell me, how many nodes are there? Only 1 minute, half minute I will give.
0, sir.
Now tell me fast. Only half minute, 30 seconds. $30. Okay. Some five more seconds I will give. Okay, only 18 students answered. $19, $20. $21, $23. How we are getting 5 ray? Seriously, just now I told you. What I told, if there is no element in between 2 nodes, if you see some nodes, If there is no element, you have to combine all the nodes. Yes, and you have to treat that as a single node, only one node, like that. Okay,
Three
so
nodes.
I'm ending the poll. 24.
3 nodes.
What? How much?
3.
No, it is not 3. Okay, it is only 2, guys. I think you have seen the shared result. I think you are seeing the shared result.
Sir.
Yes. So here, how it is 2? The answer is 2. How it is 2, I will tell. Right. So what you can say, this is one node. This is one node. Yes. You can also say this is node. This is node. This is node. This is node. And this is node. But the thing is, there is no elements in between node and node. So just to combine these two. Okay. So now big node it became, right? So there is no element in between these two nodes also. These two nodes also, right? Combine these three. This is a single node. Understood? 1. Yes. Even in the bottom case, there is no elements in between these two nodes, right? 2 or 3 nodes, there is no element. So just take it as second node. So how many nodes are there?
2, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So who made it right? 8 students made it right. 8 students. Who are the 8 students? Just raise your hands or just put it in a message. Okay, Hemant, you have a doubt. Okay, I will clear your doubt. Who? Okay, Akshita, you are right. Next. So you know all these things. I mean, have you followed the previous examples, or just you have given like that?
Sir, I think same as like sir, but I take four points in this.
Whatever. Even if you take 4 points, you have to join only.
I joined. Yes, sir. I did the same.
Okay, fine. Akshita. Akshita is a boy or a girl?
Girl, sir.
Girl, right? Yeah. Okay. Who is that answered?
Me only, sir.
Okay, okay. No, just now before you, somebody talked to me, right? Hemant, is that you?
Means Nikhil.
Okay, Nikhil. Okay, fine. Yes. Hemant, I will clear your doubt. Wait. Yeah. Students who answered 2, I want to see your names. Raised your hand. 8 participants raised their hand. Okay, I will see. Okay, Manish has answered correct. Ashrita, Hemant, next Jawahar, Praveen, Haripriya, next Emmanuel, Nikhil. So these are the people who made it right, and Akshita also, I guess. Akshita, yes. So yeah, congrats. You made it right. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Lower your hand. Okay. Now, so like this, we have to find the nodes, number of nodes. Understood? Hemant, what is your doubt? Okay.
It's clarified, sir.
It is clarified? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. This third question only.
Okay. Right.
I mean that no element is there, no, sir.
Yes.
By joining all those nodes. That was my doubt, sir. In previous question, you told first 4, sir. And again, you joined those 2.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Before that, I asked.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Next statement. It is path. Just write down path. Keep a heading path. right? Path. If no node was encountered more than once, if no node was encountered more than once, then the set of nodes and the elements that we have passed through, if no node was encountered more than once, then the set of nodes and elements that we have passed through is defined as a path. So is defined as a path. Understood? So what is the path? If no node was encountered more than once, that means even twice also it should not encounter, right? Then the set of nodes and elements that we have passed through is defined as path. Now what I will do is I will take the previous example. Here you can see the example. So here so this is the circuit, let us say. Now what is the path? When let us say we are starting, how many paths are there? Looking at the definition, how many paths are there? Two paths are there? Okay. Okay, what I will do is, I will again post the result. Tell me, how many paths are there? I'm asking about path. Just go through the definition again and submit. Once submitted, it cannot come back anyways. Fast. Already 1.14 minutes has done. Only 16 answered. So within 5 seconds, I am going to end the poll. Whoever, the students who have not answered, just answered fast. Okay. No, I want to see a right answer. But nobody are making a right answer. Okay, somebody, only one student gave me 5, which is most nearest answer. Yes, okay. And share the results. Now, no, you're only seeing 2 paths, huh? How you're only seeing 2 paths? No, I can see you at least 3 parts you can see, at least. So this is the least answer. 2 paths is the, I cannot take that answer. See. So when we are starting at this node, let us say, we are starting at that node. This is one path. Okay. Yeah. So because we are not encountering this node again for one more time, no problem. This is called a path, right? And this is also called a path.
3.
Yes. This is also called a path. Yes. These are 3, minimum 3. Next, you can also see some more paths. I'll show you. So if you are starting at this node, if you are going this way, this is also a path. Sir, intersecting, no sir. What happens if you intersect? What he is asking is, you should not pass through one node more than once. That's it, right? So we are not passing. This is also a path. Yes. One more path shall I show? Four paths already done. Now, this is also one more path. Yes, 5 paths done. But I have not given in one answer that it is, the answer is not 5 paths. It is 6 paths. Okay. So maybe you will get this kind of a path also. Like this also you can go. Yes. How many paths are there? 7. Huh? One more is also there. 6. So now we have counted 6. Even if you get one more path, I am not surprised. Okay. So this is the way you have to analyze. This is path. Okay. I think we are done with the path. Yes. In the next class, tomorrow's class, we will start with loop, branch, and the loop. If the node at which we started, is the same as the node on which we ended, comma, then the path is called loop. What it is telling? It is a path. But the thing is, so we can also call some paths as loops. So when this path is qualified as a loop, when we are starting at that node and ending at the same node, then that path is called loop. That's it. So let us say, let's take one diagram or circuit. How many nodes are there? Tell me the number of nodes.
Two.
Okay. Any answers?
2, sir.
Okay.
2, sir.
Okay. So I want you to see the answer in the chat box. Not to everyone, but to privately. Yes. So almost you became perfect at node, finding how many number of nodes are there. Yes. Nodes, number of nodes is 2. It is clear. Good, good. Enough, enough. I'm happy with your performance. Yeah. So number of nodes is 2 because, so even though you are seeing sharp edges, you have to just go with that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is 3, Baba. Nodes, number of nodes is 3. 1 second, I will tell you. This is 1, this is 2, yes, and this is 3. This is a separate element, this is a separate element. So number of nodes is 3. Of course, you have tried good, no problem. So even, okay, yeah. So this is a number of nodes. Now we are starting, let us say at node number 1. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, let us say. Now, if you are starting, let us say, I'm starting at this point. I'm starting at this point, and the path is again ending at this point. Then this path is called loop. Okay, this path is called loop. When it is called loop, when the path is starting at this point and again ending at the same point, then it is called loop. Now let us say if I am going this way and ending here, whether this path is called a loop?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, it is not called a loop. Yes? Yeah, like that. Yes, very good. So I am starting at this point. I am ending at this point. So whether it is called a loop?
No, sir.
No, it is not called loop. Loop means it has to start at one point and end at the
And at
same
the same
point.
point.
Then only it is called a loop. So this is the definition. Yes. Now we are done with the loop. Now let's go with branch. Just keep a subheading branch. Subheading branch. Write down. It is a single path in a network. It is a single path in a network composed of one simple element. Composed of one simple element and a node at each end of that element. It is a path which is composed of a simple element it is a single path in a network composed of a simple element and a node at each end of the element. It has to have a node at each end of the element. Let us take an element from between the nodes 2 and 3. So there are 2 elements, right? So now let us take R1, R2. Let us take R1. So there are 2 nodes, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yeah. So it is a path. So path means it is going from one node to another node without repeating the nodes. Okay. So now let us say we are this from one node to another node. If you are going, it can be called as a path, right? So this is a path. This is a path. It is a single path in a network composed of one simple element. Only one element it has to be there. If you have, let us say, 2 elements is there. Okay. So this is not called a branch. Okay. So there must be only one element. Okay. The branch means there must be only one element. Okay. Now this is one branch. This is one branch. Now take one more element. This is another branch. Take one more element. This is another branch, like that. Understood? Yeah. Okay. Now, so branch, I think you got it.
Sir, repeat it again, sir.
Yes. Okay. So branch is nothing but a simple path. This is a simple path. Let us take from 2 to 3, we are taking one path. 2 to 3, we are taking one path. Understood? So there is a simple element. Only one element is there. Yes. So you got 1 point cleared, and a simple path is also there. Yes. And across the element, you are having 2 nodes. There must be, for each end of that element, there must be 1 node. In the case of R1, you have 2 nodes. So to one end, you have a node 2. To the other end, you have node 3. So this is qualified as a branch, right? Now tell me about R2, whether it is qualified as a branch or not. It is a simple path. Simple path in a network. It is a single path in a network where one simple element with node at each end. Here you are having node at each end or not? Second node and third node. It is a simple element. So it is qualified as a branch. Yes. Now take the other one. So there is a element between node 1 and node 2. So whether it is qualified as a path from 1 to 2? Yes, from 1 to 2, whether we are going.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a single path, and there is a simple element, and there is node at each end of that element. Then that is qualified as a branch. Understood? Yes. So now you got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is called branch. Now let's go. I think you got all the things. Node is done. Node, path, loop, and branch.